Nyinga en Sharon Ngao machiegni. Kwachake ni migao mar omenda kokadho chenro mano mar chwalo kony ne Uganda e lokruok mar kor lwasi motisi ni floka ogolo siling bilion 7.1 e counties 43 mar konyo e kedo gi midhiero mikelo kod lokruok mar chal mar kor lwasi. Omenda moyud kod riwruok mar governors e idia ni county ma Kwale mabende biro bedo ka konyo e dongruok mopogore opogore kaka yudo pi, chiemo kod arita mar alwora mar Uganda. Pok mano mar omenda makamano en kanyakla kod bilion 11.7 mar hik omenda mar higa mar 2025-2026 mar lokruok mar kor lwasi kamae e chenro mokwongo mar pok makamano.
That we have into the development for the future. Then these things that have already come, ensuring that the preventions that they are doing so that we are moving into the future. How do we scale up so that we consolidate it?
The reason why water is very critical at a time of climate change, there is scarcity in accessing water, and because FLOCA is a locally led participatory climate risk where my grandmother is prioritizing or selecting what she needs. My grandmother knows if there is climate change, reduces availability of water. So number one in all counties is water.
We're also working with the World Bank and all the development partners who are involved and the National Treasury to see to it that this is continued under a second phase. So that there is a phase 2 of FLOCA to continue doing the good work it has done, because it's been very, very impactful at the grassroots.
We had London Climate Change Week, and this is a project that has been referred on as a more successful project that is taking climate change initiatives to the people, because the climate change is affecting people at the community level.
Zile ward committees ndo zinafanya public participation pale kwa ground pamoja na county government na community ndio wana suggest hizi projects ziweze kufanyika katika zile ward zao. Kwa hivyo ni projects ambazo hazifanyi kisiasa.